पढ़ा भी था that you were the victim on the set for pranks. तो अगर आप उसके
I'm waiting for my moment of revenge. Tell me if you're ready to help me. I'm agreeable to it now. Yes, I was a butt of a lot of jokes. That's because I'm naive. No, jokes apart, you know, we were playing pranks on each other all the time. There was a writer, Milab Zaveri, poor thing, I think he's also been bullied a lot. Sajid Khan and Akshay Kumar never got bullied, but Ritesh, Fardeen, Milap, me, and the rest of the ADs and everyone would get bullied right, left and center. We also, you know, if Sajid was planning a prank, we'd all gang up with him. If Akshay was planning the prank, we'd all gang up with him. So we were the sidekicks of Akshay and Sajid.
कोई ऐसा सीन जिसे करते वक्त you couldn't control your laugh, मतलब कुछ ऐसा सीन जहाँ पे आपको सीरियस ना हो पर because you know you all were together, कोई ऐसा सीन अगर आपको याद हो?
I remember there was one scene with Baman and Ritesh which was an extremely serious scene, and you know, we were generally giggling and laughing about things before the scene. तो जब सीन करने का वक्त आया और मैं रितेश और बमन को देख रही थी अपने सामने, तो मैं अपने आप को कंट्रोल ही नहीं कर पा रही थी. मुझे वो कॉन्वर्जेशन याद आ रहा था. हम लोग सब बैठ के ऐसे ही सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट टाइम पे सब गप्पे लड़ाते थे और जोक करते थे. तो उस वक्त आई डोंट नो व्हाट हैपेंड टू मी, मे बी इट वाज नर्वसनेस, आई डोंट नो व्हाट. आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड गिगलिंग अनकंट्रोलेबली, and then of course I calmed myself down and we could do it, but that was one instance. And दूसरा वक्त था जब मैं अक्षय कुमार के साथ एक सीन कर रही थी, और it's a scene where, you know, he's telling me something about his past, and the way he was doing it was so funny that we were both standing like this, the camera was exactly at this angle, and suddenly I just ducked. And they were all like, what happened? They thought I fell down or something, but it's just that I didn't want to disrupt the scene, but I couldn't help it. So I just ducked and I started laughing. That way, actually, there were many instances, but these two come to my mind very easily.
Look, आपका look जो है फिल्म में, if you can tell us कि कैसा कुछ different किया है आपने या?
Different, हाँ, in a way that जो ग्लैमरस वेस्टर्न लुक है मैं पहली बार कर रही हूँ. एंड ये जो किरदार है ये स्टोरी बेस्ड है सिडनी में, एंड दे आर NRIs and they're very very well to do. So there is a certain glam western, but it can't be too flashy. It had to have that understated elegance to it, and yet it had to be young and a little hot and all of that. So ये सब ध्यान में रखते हुए they've given me, Manish has done the clothes, plus my hair and makeup has been done. They actually you know, worked, all of them sat together, worked together and figured out what is it that will make me look different and yet, you know, make me look my best, not different for the sake of different.
What would you like to say? अब फिल्म रिलीज होने वाली है, you must have seen, तो मतलब देख के कैसा महसूस हुआ आपको पूरी फिल्म को?
देख के एक्चुअली मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया. अगर मैं ये कहूँ कि आप समझेंगे कि मैं फिल्म का एक हिस्सा हूँ तो इसीलिए, पर जेन्युइनली मुझे लगा जैसे इस फिल्म में हर एक के लिए कुछ ना कुछ है. यानी अगर वो बच्चा हो, बड़ा हो, कोई अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ या बॉयफ्रेंड के साथ जा रहा हो, या कोई बुजुर्ग जा रहे हो, सब के लिए कुछ ना कुछ है इसमें. इट्स बेसिकली एन एंटरटेनिंग फिल्म. जस्ट यू नो, you have to just go there 2 hours 10 minutes, just enjoy yourself and come back.